What's up people, Brown Crypto Guy here, and today I'm back with another video, and today we are going to talk about one of the largest crypto exchange that is in the global marketplace in terms of cryptocurrency. And you guessed it right, we're talking about Binance. So before we head towards the video, I want you guys to do a big favor to me. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell notification bell so that you always will be notified whenever I post a video in the future. So let's begin the video with the biggest question that everyone, in terms of new people who are coming to crypto space and they don't know what cryptocurrency exchanges are, what is decentralized, what is centralized. For all the beginners out there, all you need to know is to find a great platform where you can start your basic trading, and for that we have the app that is known as Binance Exchange. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange which is the largest exchange in the world in terms of daily trading volume of cryptocurrencies. It was founded in 2017 and is registered in the Cayman Islands. Binance was founded by Jibran Safdar, developer who had previously created high-frequency trading software. The Binance Exchange is a leading cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2017 in Hong Kong. It features a strong focus on alternate coin trading. Binance offers crypto-to-crypto trading in more than 500 cryptocurrencies and virtual tokens, including Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and its own token, which is Binance Coin. In 2018, the company moved from Hong Kong to Malta because of the restrictions that China had on the cryptocurrency. So it was obvious like Binance had to, make this move. Binance provides a crypto wallet to store your electronic funds. The exchange also has supporting services for users to earn interest or transcript using cryptocurrencies. It also offers programs for miners and to help traders make investment decisions. Binance has its own native token which is known as Binance Coin, and it is a good investment as well, just saying. So let's try to understand how Binance actually works. Primarily known for crypto-to-crypto trading between two cryptocurrency pairs, the Binance Exchange has among the lowest transaction fees for cryptocurrency exchanges. It has high liquidity and offers discount to users who pay in the native token, which is BNB cryptocurrency. The name Binance is a combination of Bitcoin and finance. It claims to have high standards of safety and security with multi-tiers of architecture and delivers high processing overall. Binance claims that it has the capacity to process 1.4 million orders per second. I mean, this is insane. It supports trading in more than 500 coins, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and its own native coin, BNB. So how does trading work exactly on Binance? So, like other crypto exchanges, Binance offers services around the trading, listing, fundraising, and delisting or withdrawal of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency associates willing to launch their own tokens can use Binance for raising funds through initial coin offering. Binance is used by a large number of traders and participants for exchanging and investing in various cryptocurrencies. To start trading, users have to complete the necessary KYC requirements. Upon successful trading account creation, users can add cryptocurrency funds to their public wallet address, which is obviously provided by Binance, to basically start trading. The Binance Exchange supports three types of trade orders. Number 1, limit. Number 2, market. And number 3, stop limit market. Limited orders are executed at a limited price by the trader. Market orders are executed immediately at the best available market price. Stop limit orders are valid only when the price reaches a specific level. There is no fees charged for cryptocurrency or fund deposits. However, withdrawals do come with a transaction fees that varies depending upon the cryptocurrency and the amount. As of 2021, Binance only allows for US dollar deposits by global users, while SWIFT, however, it just allows you to directly purchase a select number of cryptocurrencies with a credit or a debit card. Deposits using 12 other flat currencies are allowed, including the euro. In addition to exchange-specific services, Binance also offers some other tools, such as Binance Earn. Binance Earn is a platform for staking or earning interest by depositing stable coins with the exchange. Depending on the coin and the nature of the coin, the exchange offers investors multiple options and interest rates for these coins. Another tool that Binance provides is Binance Visa card is a credit card that allows users to convert their cryptocurrency into flat currency and spend it on products and services. While the conversion does not include administrative fees, third-party fees in the form of payment network fees applied. Binance Smart Pool enable miners to switch different currencies for mining purposes and to increase their source of income. Binance has a blockchain technology called Binance Labs, which focuses on nurturing promising pre-ISO stage projects. It helps deserving cryptocurrency project teams by providing necessary funding for development, advisory resources, and a launchpad for any necessary listing and fundraising exercises. Okay, so we have learned all the whereabouts of Binance, how it started, how it's ending, how it's still working. So the main question that everyone have is like how to buy cryptos in Binance. So let's start by making an account. So you need to enter your nationality card details and start buying cryptos. But some countries have a restriction regarding their currency or debit cards. So you need an alternate option, which is P2P trading. From here you can buy from local traders who are selling USDT, BSDT, BNB, ETH and Bitcoin according to the country's currency, with a little difference in price, like those traders would be increasing the rates to 1% or 2% in your whole currency. But if you want to trade and use cryptos even though your country's bank does not support Binance, then we have no other option, sadly. So we have to buy from our local traders. So anyways, after buying from local traders, for example, you bought BSDT for $10 to $20. Now you have it on your funding wallet. So now after buying in P2P trading, you always have to transfer your cryptos from the funding wallet to the spot wallet in order to actually start trading. The next step would be to start buying different cryptos with your stable coins. So you will have a lot of choices to buy from, but I would recommend to buy the cryptos that have a utility value in the long run, or basically once the market is on red alert or is on lost. Buy cheap, sell on profit. That's the basic step that everyone obviously knows. So in cryptos, we also use this trick. Whenever the market crashes or the market goes on dip, that is the best opportunity to invest in the crypto with a huge amount. So once the bear market goes up, your profit goes up as well. You got me? But if you're looking for some long-term investments, you should properly do some research on the cryptos that you really want to buy. For example, like the Sandbox, GMT, Polygon, Decentralized Land Mana, Alice. Like there are countless coins. You just have to follow their social media handles and see what are the updates, what is their roadmap. You always have to study a roadmap of the currency that you're trying to buy, because if you do not know where this crypto or where this currency will lead you, then probably you're gonna end up wasting your money. So don't do that. Always do your research. Always follow whatever crypto you have bought or you want to buy. You always have to do the research. You have to follow their Twitter handles. You have to join their Telegram group. You have to be on Discord. You have to be initially everywhere wherever you're buying crypto, whatever you want to buy crypto, that is mentioned everywhere. For a beginner, I would say you should first know how to read the charts. This is really important. If you can't read properly what is a candle, or what is the bullish term, what is the skyrocket term, what is the lower dip, you have to know these terms. You have to understand each candle in the chart. You should know how it's gonna, if it shows 3 candles down, it's gonna go 3 candles up. You have to make that assumption, because no one is going to do that for you. And this basically trading is unpredictable. Like no one can be right. Obviously, there are 90% chances that a person who does this for like a century or something, or I don't know, like a decade or something, but he would know more. But that does not mean that he knows better or he knows everything. Try to start learning from, I would suggest, like from a trading school, or from if you don't want to waste your money on a trading school, or Telegram groups or any different groups, Discords and the Discord groups. So you can just start doing investing yourself, start watching tutorials, videos on YouTube, or meet with a person who is already trading or who is already making gains, and like when does he know that he should cash out or cash in. Like these terms are really important, and you will get in the flow once you started. All you guys need to do is to start it. That's the best advice that I can give. I do not have any other advice as well, because once you start it, you're gonna know the up and downs yourself, and then you will know the answer, whether when is the right time to cash in, when is the right time to buy, when is the right time to sell. Once you get in the flow, you have to go with the flow. The personal experience is more important than any experience. That's what I believe. So until then, take care of yourselves. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. This was the Brown Crypto Guy signing out.